Hello, and welcome to Yes You Can, DIY Digital Marketing by TTG. In this tutorial, we're going to look at image compression using tiny PNG. So we are going to be working with this image, this David Yurman image. We can come over here and see that this is 160 KB, which is really actually not that bad. We want to make sure that our images are below 500K, any image that we are putting on our website. So this actually would be a perfectly fine size image to put on a website, but I bet we can get it even smaller with this really, really cool tool that we use on the internet called tiny PNG. So what this does is it compresses an image for you, and it's really, really easy. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click in here. It's going to bring up our downloads folder or whatever folder you set it to. We're going to select our image here, hit open. You see it's going to compress, and you see it's already done. And what's really cool about tiny PNG is it tells you right down here and right over here how much compression it has accomplished. So it has taken this file from 156.9 kilobytes to 45.2, which is so fantastic. So now what we're going to do is download all right here. I'm going to open this zip file. We can see that we've got that right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our WordPress dashboard. It's the back end of our WordPress website. We're going to come down this left sidebar here to Media, and we are going to hit the Media button right there. When we get to the Media Library, I'm going to let this load for a second. This is where your images for your website live, and to a certain extent your video as well. So we're going to come up here, and we are going to click the Add New button next to Media Library. Then we are going to select files. We're going to put that image with 2 over at the end of it in this box. All right, so now we've got an image uploaded to our WordPress media library. So now we're going to come in here, we're going to click this image, and over here we have some options to add a little bit of meta information to this image. What meta information is it's the information parsed by robots on the internet. So search engine robots crawling your website for Google or Bing or Yahoo to reflect what they find in search results, or in the case of alternative text or alt text, this is what screen readers will read for people who are vision impaired. Also, if your image breaks, this alternative text is what will show on the screen. So you want to have something pretty descriptive here. So you also always want to have, for SEO purposes, a title here. So we are going to call this David Yurman Model Charm Necklace. Then for alt text, we want to, like I said, we want to be a little bit more descriptive here. So let's put model puts on David Yurman necklace. Great. So then we would just exit out of here because our changes save automatically. If you want to come back in here, and our changes are still there. All right, so that is how you compress an image and save it to the WordPress media library and fill out its meta information. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and also check out the description for more helpful links.